Looking for the perfect hard-folding tonneau cover for your Nissan Frontier? Whether you want extra security, weather protection, or just a sleek upgrade for your truck bed, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll check out the best Nissan Frontier hard-folding tonneau covers that combine strength, style, and easy functionality, so you can choose the one that's right for you. Let's dive in. At number 5, we have the Calffree hard-folding tonneau cover, designed to fit the 2005 to 2026 Nissan Frontier with a 5-foot bed, built with durable, weather-resistant materials. This cover protects your cargo from rain, snow, and harsh conditions while adding an extra layer of security against theft and damage. Its hard fold design makes accessing your truck bed simple. Just fold it back whenever you need your gear. Installation is hassle-free and can be completed in minutes, with high-quality hinges and weather stripping ensuring a snug, secure fit. Not only does it provide toughness and convenience, but it also helps improve fuel efficiency by reducing wind drag, making it a smart and reliable upgrade for your Frontier. At number 4, we have the WHALEMOTOR hard-folding tonneau cover, custom-made to perfectly fit Nissan Frontier models from 2005 all the way up to 2025 with a 5-foot bed, built from tough, weather-resistant materials. This cover is designed to withstand harsh conditions, and even hailstorms won't leave a mark. It installs easily with a no-drill, clamp-on system that takes about 30 minutes, making it quick and hassle-free. Reinforced hinges, strong latches, and secure locking mechanisms keep your cargo safe while preventing any unwanted access. The sleek, aerodynamic design not only looks sharp but also helps improve fuel efficiency and stays stable even at highway speeds. With its durable build, reliable protection, and smooth functionality, the WHALEMOTOR cover is a solid investment for Frontier owners looking for both performance and style. At number 3, we have the YITAMOTOR FRP hard-folding tonneau cover, designed to fit Nissan Frontier trucks with a 5-foot bed from 2005 through 2025, made from high-quality FRP material. This cover is tough against scratches, UV rays, and harsh weather, keeping your cargo safe and your truck looking sharp. The non-slip FRP sheet with a PP honeycomb core gives it impressive strength, supporting up to 450 pounds on top, while reinforced latches and embedded clamps keep everything secure during transit. Installation is simple with no drilling required, and the tri-fold design allows you to fold it back in sections for easy access to your bed, with nylon straps to hold it in place when open. Customers appreciate its tight, leak-free fit, sleek appearance, and outstanding value, making the YITAMOTOR FRP cover a reliable and budget-friendly choice for Frontier owners. At number 2, we have the MOSTPLUS hard-folding tonneau cover, made to fit Nissan Frontier models from 2005 through 2025. This trifold cover is built with heavy-duty 14mm aluminum panels and powder-coated frames, reinforced with horizontal crossbars for strength and stability. It installs easily without drilling or modifications, thanks to its clamp-on design, and even comes with additional weather stripping, an installation manual, and a built-in LED light for added convenience. Designed to keep your cargo dry and protected, it's easy to maintain with just soap and water, while its lightweight build makes handling simple. With a great fit, smooth installation, and unbeatable value for the price, the MOSTPLUS hard-folding cover is a practical and reliable upgrade for your Frontier. And finally, at number 1, we have the OEDRO FRP hard-folding tonneau cover, designed specifically for the 2005 to 2025 Nissan Frontier with a 5-foot bed, built from high-strength fiberglass panels. This cover delivers outstanding durability and protection, shielding your cargo from rain, snow, and even potential damage from sharp objects, while also handling heavy loads with ease. The trifold design makes it convenient to access your truck bed, and installation is quick and hassle-free with no drilling required. Reinforced locking mechanisms ensure the cover stays securely closed during travel, giving you complete peace of mind. With its excellent fit, lightweight yet sturdy build, and premium quality at a great price, the OEDRO FRP cover stands out as the top choice for Nissan Frontier owners looking for the perfect balance of strength, security, and style.